Copper, a metal interwoven with human history. From ancient tools to modern medicine, its presence is undeniable. But did you know this versatile element also holds remarkable health benefits, especially when incorporated into our cooking and drinking habits? For centuries, cultures worldwide have recognized the power of copper in promoting well-being. Today, we're rediscovering these age-old practices. Modern science is beginning to validate what our ancestors intuitively knew. Copper is essential for a healthy life. It plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, from boosting immunity to aiding digestion. This exploration delves into the fascinating world of copper's health benefits. We'll uncover the science behind its remarkable properties and understand how incorporating copper cookware and copper-infused water into our lives can lead to a path of enhanced well-being. Join me as we unlock the secrets of this ancient remedy for a healthier, more vibrant life. Copper is not just a metal, it's a vital micronutrient our bodies need. It plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. From energy production to iron absorption, copper is essential for maintaining overall health and vitality. One of copper's key contributions is its role as a cofactor for enzymes. These proteins are essential for countless biochemical reactions in our body. Without enough copper, these enzymes can't function optimally, leading to potential health issues. Furthermore, copper is a powerful antioxidant. It helps neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting our cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. This antioxidant property contributes to copper's ability to support a healthy heart, boost the immune system, and even promote healthy aging. For millennia, copper has graced kitchens worldwide, prized for its exceptional heat conductivity and stunning aesthetics. Copper cookware heats up quickly and evenly, allowing for precise temperature control. This makes it ideal for delicate dishes and sauces, as it prevents hot spots and burning. Beyond its culinary advantages, cooking in copper imparts a unique health benefit. Trace amounts of copper leach into our food. This natural infusion supplements our dietary copper intake, contributing to our overall well-being. While some may view this leaching as a concern, rest assured that the amount of copper absorbed from cookware is minimal and well within safe limits. In fact, it can be particularly beneficial for individuals with copper deficiencies, providing a natural and readily absorbed source of this vital nutrient. In many cultures, storing drinking water in copper vessels is a time-honored tradition. This practice, far from being antiquated, holds remarkable health benefits backed by scientific evidence. When water sits in a copper vessel for several hours, a small amount of copper ions leaches into it. This process, known as oligodynamic effect, is where the magic happens. Copper ions have natural antimicrobial properties. They can effectively eliminate harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi that may be present in the water, making it safer for consumption. Drinking copper-infused water first thing in the morning is especially beneficial. It helps kickstart your metabolism, aids digestion, and boosts your energy levels throughout the day. It's a simple yet powerful ritual to incorporate into your daily routine for enhanced well-being. Section 5. Copper's antimicrobial prowess, a shield against infections. Infectious diseases pose a constant challenge to public health. Copper, with its potent antimicrobial properties, offers a promising solution. Numerous studies highlight copper's effectiveness in combating a wide range of pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Hospitals, for instance, have begun incorporating copper surfaces to reduce the spread of infections. Door handles, bed rails, and even stethoscopes are being coated with copper alloys, creating a hostile environment for microbes. The mechanism behind copper's antimicrobial action is multifaceted. Copper ions disrupt the cell membranes of microorganisms, leading to their destruction. They also interfere with vital cellular processes, preventing the pathogens from replicating and spreading. Section 6. Copper and anemia, a natural remedy. Anemia, a condition characterized by a deficiency of red blood cells, affects millions worldwide. Iron deficiency is a common cause, but copper deficiency can also contribute to this debilitating condition. Copper plays a crucial role in iron absorption and utilization in the body. Without enough copper, our bodies cannot effectively absorb iron from our diet, leading to iron deficiency anemia. Incorporating copper-rich foods or using copper cookware can help improve copper levels in the body. This, in turn, can enhance iron absorption and aid in the management of anemia. Section 7. Copper in skin health, a radiant glow. Copper is not just good for our insides, it also works wonders for our skin. This essential mineral plays a vital role in collagen production, the protein responsible for skin's elasticity and strength. Copper peptides, in particular, have gained significant attention in the skincare industry. Studies suggest that these small copper-binding proteins can stimulate collagen synthesis, improve skin elasticity, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Copper also possesses anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for soothing irritated skin and reducing redness. Its antimicrobial effects can also help combat acne-causing bacteria, promoting clearer and healthier skin. Section 8. Precautions and potential risks of copper. While copper offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to be mindful of potential risks and take necessary precautions. Excessive copper intake can be toxic, leading to a condition known as copper toxicity. Symptoms of copper toxicity include nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. In severe cases, it can lead to liver damage and neurological problems. The key to reaping copper's benefits safely lies in moderation. Using copper cookware and drinking copper-infused water in moderation is generally considered safe for most individuals. Section 9. Choosing and caring for your copperware. Investing in high-quality copper cookware is essential for both health and culinary reasons. Look for cookware made from pure, unlined copper to ensure optimal copper infusion into your food. Copper cookware requires proper care to maintain its beauty and longevity. Hand washing is recommended to prevent damage and preserve its shine. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or scrubbers as they can scratch the copper surface. Copper vessels used for storing water should also be cleaned regularly. A simple solution of lemon juice and salt can effectively remove any tarnish and maintain the hygiene of your copper vessels. Section 10. Embracing copper for a healthier life. Copper, a metal with a rich history and remarkable properties, offers a natural path towards enhanced well-being. From boosting immunity to promoting healthy skin, the benefits of incorporating copper into our daily lives are undeniable. While modern medicine often focuses on synthetic solutions, it's essential to remember the wisdom of ancient practices. Copper's time-tested benefits, backed by scientific evidence, remind us that nature holds powerful remedies for a healthier life. As we strive for a life of balance and well-being, let's embrace the gift of copper. By incorporating copper cookware and copper-infused water into our routines, we can harness the power of this ancient element and embark on a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant future.